Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you guys how to change the default text style in Gmail. So of course what you have to do first is access your Gmail account by going to mail.google.com, and once you have this page loaded, then you should be able to follow the simple steps of this tutorial. So what you have to do is to just go to settings. So before I do that, I will just show you my current default text style, which is required by my company. So just click that and so if you see, I have the default font of Verdana in large. So I want to change it. So what you have to do is to go to settings, see all settings, and then just scroll, and then you will see the default text style part over here. So currently this is how the body text looks like. So if I compose any email, that's the automatic text style, and I want to change it, and what I have to do is to just click on the options. So there will be a drop down and you will be able to choose some fonts. So let's just use this one, and let's try the normal one. And as you can see, this is the current text style. So let's click save and try to create another message. So let's click compose, like that, maximize, and as you can see, it has been changed to another style, which is Georgia in normal. So yes, this is very useful, especially if you are required to use a specific font style and font size. So yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.